Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir. Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Very good morning. Palvini, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Very good, beta. Can you start your video, Palvini?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Everyone else, please start your video. Bhavya, Rastogi, Arshika, Alankrita, start your video.
Yes, sir. Sir, what we are doing today?
We are thinking of doing maths today.
No, sir. Sir, which chapter we are doing
Which
today?
chapter? We are doing the same chapter, beta. Multiples and
Okay, sir.
factors. Okay,
Sir,
let's continue.
sir,
हाँ बेटा, प्रत्यक्ष बेटा, आपकी आवाज में गिटार बज रहा है. Actually, it is not coming properly. It is breaking. Can you turn off your video and speak again?
Sir, yesterday we done as
Sorry. Yes, we are doing question B LCM, and we have done till which question? Tell me. Have we done the fifth part of this question? Fifth and sixth?
Sir, we have done till. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, we have done till 6.
We have done all the parts.
Yes, sir.
Have we discussed
Sir,
all the parts?
Sir, we have completed
Yes, sir.
A and B. No, sir.
Okay, let us discuss the fifth and sixth part. We have not discussed the fifth and sixth part of question B. So let us discuss the two parts first. Exercise 5.4, multiples and factors. We are learning LCM. Question B, fifth part. These two parts are left to be discussed. 16 and 20. LCM we have to find out of these two numbers. So first of all, we will write multiples of 16. Multiples of 16. 16. Table आता है 16 का? All of you.
Sir, 16, 32, 48.
Sir, I know.
Very
Sir, we
good.
will write the LCM and we will find the LCM.
The 48,
Yes.
16 was a 64, 16 5 is a 80, 16 6 is a 90,
कमाल कर दिया. Very good.
144, 16 10 is a 160.
बस 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 बेटा. Very good. Very nice. Multiples of 20. 20.
Sir, 16,
Sir,
40,
20, 40,
60,
80.
16 11 is a
80,
220,
and so on.
that's
So
the 180.
LCM, we have got the LCM. The
80.
LCM is equal to yeah,
80, sir.
60 बेटा. 60 is the LCM. Sorry, 80. ये क्या कर दिया हमने? 16 के टेबल में कोई गड़बड़ कर दी है. 12 का टेबल मिक्स कर दिया 16 के साथ.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. 64. 80 is the LCM. Absolutely correct. You all are right. So 80 is the common factor, lowest common factor of both the numbers. 80. 80 is the least common factor or lowest common factor. Answer is 80. Got it, all of you? Yes, yes.
What detailed the full factor of multiple of factors?
Let's do the sixth part. Seven and 8.
8.
Multiples, you all have already done, I know. Just check your answers. Multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and so on. Multiples of 8. Beta, please keep your mics off. Multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. I hope you all are able to understand my handwriting. I know my handwriting is not good, it is very bad. But I hope you all are able to understand what I am writing on the board. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and so on. We have got the LCM.
56. 56.
Absolutely right. LCM is 56. This is the least common multiple. 56 is common. दोनों जगह देखिए common है. ये भी है 56 and ये भी है 56. So the least common multiple is 56. Answer. Doubt? Do you have doubt? Okay. So this exercise is completed.
Sir, now the exercise is over. Now we will what we will do?
Okay, so now we will learn about factors. What are factors? आप लोगों को हमने पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. What are factors? Do you all remember
Yes,
factors क्या होते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. चलो let's revise what are factors and then we will start doing the exercises which are given.
Sir, can I tell what are factors?
Yes, beta, बताओ. Vamika, very good. What are factors?
Factors are the number that multiplies the two numbers.
Factors are the numbers which, when multiplied with another number, gives us the required number.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? For example, suppose if I want to find out the factors of 6. 6 के factors हमको पता लगाना. We are talking about factors now, not multiples. 6 के multiples क्या होते हैं वैसे? 6, 12, 18, 24, 32, sorry, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and so on. 6 का table, 6 के multiples होते हैं. Factors क्या होते हैं 6 के? You have to think.
1, 2, 3, and 6.
1,
3, and 6.
1, 2, 3 and 6. Very good. Absolutely right. So you have to think about the numbers जिनके टेबल में 6 आता है. 6 का टेबल नहीं देखना है हमको उन नंबर्स के बारे में सोचना है जिनके टेबल में 6 आता है. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल 1 वन का टेबल आता है सबको, वेरी डिफिकल्ट टेबल, वन का टेबल सबसे डिफिकल्ट होता है, याद रख लो।
It is too easy.
Sir, we have to write the answer in chat box.
Do you all remember that one ka table? What is one table? Table of one.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
One into one is one. One into two is two. One into three is three. कितना difficult है ना बेटा? One into four is four. One fives are five. One sixes are six.
So the most difficult table is of 0.
हाँ, most difficult is zero. वो तो ये बात तो सही है. Very
And
nice.
it is also too easy. 6
अरे वाह,
0
one
1 का 0.
one के टेबल में six आ गया. आ गया?
Yes, sir.
So we will say that one is a factor. Let's write the table of
Sir,
two.
3. Sir, 3
into
2s are 6.
Two का टेबल लिखते हैं. Two into two, two, four. Two threes are
Is the 6.
six.
3
अरे
3s
वाह.
are 6.
Two के टेबल में भी six आ गया. Three का टेबल लिखते हैं चलो. 3 ones are three. 3 twos are 6.
3
अरे
2s are
वाह.
6.
3 के टेबल में भी 6 आ गया. और कोई है जिसके टेबल में 6 आता है? 6 ones are 6. 6 के टेबल में भी 6. तो अभी हमने
3 2 the 6.
Yeah.
Sir, 3 2 the 6.
Very
3
nice.
2 the 6.
So can we say that?
3s are 6.
What can we say now? We can say that factors of 6 are 1 because 1 के टेबल में आया था 6.
Sir, 1 3.
2 के
Sir,
टेबल में भी
one,
6 आया था. 3 के टेबल में भी 6 आया था. 6 के टेबल में भी 6 आया था. 4 के टेबल में आता है 6. Have you ever seen 6 in the table of 4?
No, sir.
No. Let's see
No,
this
sir.
one. Let's write the table of 4. 4 into 1.
Directly
4
comes
ones are 4. 4 twos are 8.
Directly comes
4 threes are 12. 4 fours ये तो बड़ा ही होते जा रहे हैं नंबर्स, है ना? लेकिन यहाँ 6 तो आया ही नहीं. Am I right? 6 दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पर? No. 6 is not there. So that means 4 is. Can we say that 4 is a factor of 6? We can say that or not? 4 6
Sir,
का
I
factor
can
है?
see. No, sir.
No, 4 is not a factor of 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Understood what is factor, all of you? Meaning समझ में आ गया what is factor?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, factors और multiples में हमने एक relation भी पढ़ा था. Do you all remember क्या relation होता है? Remember or not? Do you all remember what is the relation between factors and multiples? No. कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा बच्चों,
Sir, can you share on the yellow screen?
येलो स्क्रीन कहाँ देख ली तुमने?
Sir,
वेयर इज येलो स्क्रीन? ग्रीन है. ग्रीन अजीब सी लग रही है ग्रीन.
sir, you can. Sir, but you can also on green.
रेड स्क्रीन.
All down, you will find.
And
On the
there is
red screen.
this screen is also there. You want me to use the red screen? Okay beta.
Sir, down the screen.
Red.
Sir, pink screen.
पिंक स्क्रीन. पिंक कहाँ है? पिंक तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे.
Black screen. White screen.
वाह बेटा, ब्लैक व्हाइट ग्रीन येलो सब आ गए. चलो लेट्स यूज द रेड स्क्रीन. Factors. So what is the relation between factor and multiple?
Sir, can I tell Pavla?
Sir, I forgot.
Sir, factor is the multiple and multiple is the.
Factor is the multiple and multiple is the factor. नहीं बेटा.
Sorry. Sir, sorry, I am say, sir, the multiple is uncle and the factor
अरे
is
वाह, ये देखो कितनी अच्छी बात है, वेरी नाइस. Multiple is the factor and factor is the, sorry, multiple is the uncle and factor is the nephew. है, सही बात है. So there is this guy, a small boy, and there is this his uncle, big uncle, small boy. So this is the uncle and this is the nephew. Nephew जानते हैं आप लोग? Do you know?
sir, yes sir.
For example, do you have any uncle? Girls must
Yes.
be having uncles. So uncle will
I don't
call
have,
you
sir, I don't have.
when uncle will introduce you. He will
I don't have.
say that you are my niece or nephew. Nephew या niece वैसे कुछ भी बुलाएंगे. Okay. And
Sir, I don't
similarly,
have, sir.
there is factor. Factor छोटा होता है. Factor का multiple में कुछ ऐसा रिलेशन होता है. ठीक है, जैसे for example, let's take two numbers 6 and 24. Tell me whether 24 comes in the table of 6. आता है? 24 आता है 6 के टेबल में? All of you? 6 के टेबल में 24 आता है? Yes. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? 24 is a multiple of 6. 24 is a multiple of 6. And 6 को क्या बोलेंगे? 6 is the factor of 24. ठीक है, तो फैक्टर क्या होता है? नेफ्यू, और मल्टीपल क्या होता है? अंकल. याद रहेगा? फैक्टर छोटा होता है और मल्टीपल बड़ा होता है. कभी कभी फैक्टर और मल्टीपल इक्वल भी हो जाते हैं. जैसे कभी कभी अंकल और नेफ्यू की एज किसी घर में इक्वल भी हो जाती है. ऐसा होता है कहीं पर, बराबर एज के हैं. तो इसलिए कभी कभी, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक टू नंबर्स 7 and 7. 7. तो 7 is a multiple of itself as well as a factor of itself. 7 खुद का मल्टीपल भी है और खुद का फैक्टर भी है. So every number is a multiple as well as a factor of itself, है ना? तो in that case multiples and factors are equal to each other. ठीक है? Otherwise, most of the cases multiples are greater than factors. क्लियर है बेटा? फैक्टर का मीनिंग समझ में आया? ऐसे नंबर्स फाइंड करना जिनके टेबल में गिवन नंबर आता हो. ठीक है? सो व्हेन वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट मोर क्लियरली. ठीक है, इट विल बिकम मोर क्लियर. So there are some facts given about factors which I don't think are very necessary. Divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 6, 9, 10, 5. ये भी चेक करना आपको सीखना है, कैसे चेक करते हैं. Prime and composite number. Okay, so let's see whether a number, how do you know how to check the divisibility of a number by 2? Divisibility जानते हैं क्या होती है? Do you all know what is divisibility? नहीं पता है? डिवीजन पता है? डिवाइड करना आता है?
Yes sir.
आता है, वेरी नाइस. इससे अच्छी कोई बात नहीं है. डिवीजन अगर आता है तो फिर 90% काम हो गया, थोड़ा सा काम और रह गया. तो see, I'm writing a number here. Let's take the number as 48. We have to check whether this number 48 is a multiple of 2 or not, or 2 is a factor of 48 or not. दोनों एक ही बात है. 48 क्या 2 का मल्टीपल है, और अगर मैं ऐसे बोलूं क्या 2 48 का फैक्टर है, दोनों एक ही बातें हैं. ओके, सो हाउ टू चेक? You will check the divisibility of 48 by the number 2. 48 की divisibility हम check करेंगे 2 से. कैसे check करते हैं? Let's do the long method first. There are two methods. एक है long method, एक है short method. कौन सा मेथड ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों को, लॉन्ग मेथड और शॉर्ट मेथड? ऑब्वियसली शॉर्ट मेथड ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा.
Both.
बोथ.
Sir, but one more time you can check. Sir, can I tell that?
वेट बेटा वेट. 4 - 4 डिवीजन करके देखते हैं. 4 - 4 0. देन 8 को कॉपी कर लेते हैं, है ना. देन 2 4s आर 8 माइनस करके 0. सो व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर इन दिस केस? आपको मालूम है रिमाइंडर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर इन दिस डिवीजन? What is the remainder? The remainder is 0. हमारे मैम ने पढ़ाया होगा लास्ट ईयर, इस साल भी पढ़ाया होगा शायद, डिवीजन 0 पढ़ाया था हमारे मैम ने. ओके, सो द रिमाइंडर इज 0. That means we can say that 48 is divisible by 2. कह सकते हैं divisible है 2 से, divide हो सकता है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Divisible by
sir,
2.
can I tell you a short method?
Yes, shortcut method बताओ. वही मैं बताने वाला था. Yes, Bhavya Rastogi will introduce the shortcut method. Yes.
Sir, we all know that the tables are infinite. So we will see the
See the
sir. So notice that the two table always takes the even number. So sir, 4 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, and 8 is coming in this also. So we can say that the 48 is the multiple of the 2, because the table of 2 is infinite.
in short shortcut method मैं बोलता हूँ. Shortcut in short, the shortcut method I will tell you in short. What is the shortcut method? If the number ends with the digit, यानी कि लास्ट डिजिट को आपको देखना है, सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट. स्टार्टिंग में चाहे कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये बड़ा सा नंबर मैं लिख देता हूँ 3 2 5 9 4. सपोज ऐसे मैंने लिख दिया, बड़ा सा नंबर है ना. आप इतना इसको डिवाइड करेंगे बहुत टाइम लगेगा. एम आई राइट और नॉट? टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा. तो हमें क्या करना है? इफ यू वांट टू चेक वेदर दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 और नॉट, तो क्या चेक करेंगे? इसकी लास्ट डिजिट को पकड़ लेंगे. पकड़ लिया, भागने मत देना. पकड़ लिया. अब if the last if the wait if the last digit is 0 2 4 6 or 8, sorry 6 or 8, if the last digit is 2 4 6 or 8, we will say that the number is divisible by 2. अगर इसमें से लास्ट डिजिट हुई, लास्ट डिजिट 4 है इसमें, है ये वाले नंबर्स में से आ रही है 4 is there in these numbers? Yes. So if the last digit is 0 2 4 6 or 8, इनमें से कोई भी डिजिट हुआ लास्ट में अगर, so we will say that the given number is divisible by 2. yes बोल देंगे. शॉर्टकट है या नहीं है मेथड? अब हमको डिवाइड करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. डिवाइड करने की जरूरत पड़ी? नहीं पड़ी.
And in this method, it is like it is repeating the even numbers, like 2 0 0 0, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, then again 2 5 are 10. It is coming 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 17, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18,
yes
2 10 are 25.
Bhavya, yes,
So
yes.
like
That is what only I am telling. Very good. Okay. भव्य भी बड़ा होके टीचर बनेगा. भव्य रस्तोगी, do you want to become a teacher?
Sir, I want to become the teacher of maths and art.
अरे वाह, very good. अच्छा, I have noticed that when children are small, then most of the children say that I want to become a teacher, but when they grow up, no one says that I want to become a teacher. Their dream changes. They say, I want to become an IAS officer, I want to become an army officer, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer, but no one says that I want to become a teacher.
Sir, what I want to become, always want to become a art teacher.
Very good. Chalo, so we have understood that how to check the divisibility of a number by 2. I am writing a number here. You all will quickly tell me whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. 526. Is this number divisible by 2 or not? Jaldi batao mujhe.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Most of you, almost every one of you is saying yes. Yes is the answer. Can you tell me why? My question to you is why?
Sir, because
Sir, can you tell Vamika?
because they are repeating even numbers to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So
बेटा
so
बेटा
this
भव्य
is
भव्य बहुत डिटेल में समझाने लगती हो तुम भव्य बेटा. इतना डिटेल में नहीं समझाना होता है. छोटा सा आंसर इसका. वामिका टेल द आंसर. वामिका
Sir,
why?
6 is coming. Sir, 6 is,
because the
Simple
sir,
सा
6
answer
is
है.
coming in the table of 2.
Yes, because the last digit of the number is 6. और 6 अभी अभी हमने सीखा था that if the number has last digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8, इसमें से कोई भी digit हुआ last में अगर, we will say that the number is divisible by 2. So answer is yes. Clear or not, everyone? Okay, another number. Ready, all of you? May I give you another number?
Sir, we will send the answer in the chat box.
Okay, yes, you all will send the answer in the chat box. I will open the chat box. Enable the chat box. I am writing the number. No one is going to use the mic. You all will give your answer in the chat box. The number is 7,529. 7,529. Is this number divisible by 2 or not? Give your answer in the chat box. Yes or no. बस इतना लिखना है. The answer is no. Everyone has given the correct answer. No is the answer. The number is not divisible by 2 because the last digit of the number is 9. और हमने क्या सीखा था? That the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. इनमें से अगर होगी last digit तो हम बोलेंगे yes, the number is divisible. Otherwise, the number is not divisible. Okay. So next one more number. ये हटा देते हैं. One more number, all of you. You all will give your answer in the chat box. 53070. 53,070. All of you give your answer in the chat box. Okay, so everyone has given the answer. Some of you have given wrong answer also, which is very surprising. Pratyaksh Rathi. No. Answer is yes. The number is divisible by 2. Yes. Yes. Last digit. What is the last digit? 0. हमने क्या सीखा था? 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8. इसमें से कोई भी डिजिट होगा लास्ट में. We will say that the number is divisible by 2. What are we doing? We are checking the divisibility of a number by 2. Verify करें whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. How to verify? ये तो शॉर्टकट मेथड है. वेरीफाई कैसे करेंगे? लॉन्ग कट मेथड से. व्हाट वाज द नंबर? 53070. सो डिवाइड 53070 बाय 2. डिवीजन आता है 53070. सो 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 3 copy. 2 6s are 12. Remainder 1. 0 copy. 2 5s are 10. 0 remainder. 7 copy. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1. 0 copy. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 0. The remainder is coming 0. This shows that the number is divisible by 2. अगर remainder 0 आता है, we can say that the number is divisible by 2. So we have verified that our answer is correct. ठीक है? One more number, one last one. Okay, again you all will give your answer in the chat box. 5 6 5 3 5 6 5 3. Is the number divisible by 2 or not? Okay, the answer is no. The answer is no because the last digit is 3. यहाँ पर 3 है नहीं है. So if the number is ending with 3, then it is not divisible by 2. The number is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. अगर लास्ट में 1, 3, 5, 7 या 9 में से कोई नंबर होगा, then we will say that the number is not divisible by 2. ठीक है, not divisible. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to everyone.